this would be funny, but it's not. No, it's not funny. Hi, this is Chris and I'm watching Krista's reaction, and today I'm going to react to Luna PPT, not PPT, it's PTT, it's the Paint Town. Okay, I don't know much about Luna. I have only listened to one of their songs, that is Butterfly, from what I remember, because it trended a lot and I really loved it, but I never reacted to them. So this is my first time reacting to them and I'm so excited for it, because yeah, literally, because I have never reacted to them and I'm kind of into the new groups nowadays. My most favorite group is B2B, which is Born to Be, and it's in a Cube Entertainment group. So I have not really given a really thought about more K-pop groups because I'm really into them, but I do want to dive into the more girl groups. And I don't know why, but Luna seems really it's not one of the big three groups, and it's from the different company too. So it's kind of attracts me a lot because it's like they are working hard, like super hard. So let's get on with the reaction. 3, 2, 1. Do subscribe, do like it, and click that notification button for more updates from me. It's in HD, like super HD. Ooh. First of all, this seems so Indian. Oh my god, it's like it has a beat. It has an Indian beat already. Oh my god. She is so beautiful. Oh damn god. Oh my god. I think I just found. Oh my. She's so good. She's so beautiful. Oh my god. All members are so beautiful. She. Wow. Okay, I'm pausing a lot because this is my first time reacting to them, so I'm seeing a lot of other things, so that might be annoying. So oh my god, but this is so cool. Oh my god, she looks like a fairy. Oh my god, all the members looks like they are from like some webtoons. They are so beautiful. I'm kind of excited. Oh, I'm so excited because it just seems so Indian. It's so energetic. It's just my type. It's just my type. And by the way, I'm straight. Just amazing. It's Mamma Mia. It's too good. In Hindi, what we'd say it, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा. It's like, oh my god, like my eyes are like open right now. I'm waiting for this kind of song from some K-pop group, and it's finally here. And I'm straight. I'm not bisexual. I'm not lesbian. I'm straight, but I'm feeling the vibes. I need to be straight. I love her. Fuck no, she looks oh. This is like wallpaper. This is gonna be my wallpaper. Oh my god, I'm such a sad. I'm not overreacting. This is so good. Oh my god. The Luna Butterfly didn't really do it for me, but this is oh fuck, this is so good. I literally jumped out of my chair. Oh my god, this is so good. This is mind blowing. Oh my god, that move. Breathe, breathe. Vocals. Mwah. Vocals are here are so good. Oh my god.
You break it, you make it, you kill it, you want it, you own it, you show it. Let's go! We're about to paint the town. Na 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 na. La ta 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 ta. You can't stop us, just be 우릴 멈출 수는 없어.
This is fucking mind blowing. It's too good to be real. This is fucking crazy. I just like, oh my god, this is so fucking good. I'm just swearing. When I'm excited, I swear a lot. Sorry for that. I just want to. I'm kind of disappointed in myself because why I never fucking checked them before, and I'm really for the swearing, and it's already 18 plus. YouTube gonna block my video now. Fuck it. It's too good. It's too good. Oh my god. I mean, I'm straight. Okay, I'm straight. But this video makes me feel the vibe I don't want to feel. And it's too good. All the girls are so beautiful. I mean, can I have their beauty? Like, they are so beautiful. I kind of feel like an ugly potato right now, sitting here and just watching them. And they are so fucking gorgeous. And I'm just a potato. Okay, this is giving me the inferiority complex. Okay, put that aside for right now. I need to gain my confidence. Okay, but seriously, this is too good. I'm just checking their videos on the pause, and they are so like every scene is like from a digital, I don't know, high class movie, and you can just use it as a wallpaper. Oh my god, this is so crazy. And why am I speaking in an accent? I don't know. I think this is a I'm feeling really bad saying this, but this is what I call a perfection, because I've seen so many good MVs and from other K-pop groups too, but this is just my type. This is what I want in an K-pop MV, because I'm really into ballad, as you already know. If you know, BTOB is a particularly good ballad group, like very good. So I'm really into ballads, but this makes me want to like change my mind completely. I think the only group I'm gonna stay in from a girl if ever got like MV like that, and Luna did give me that, so I think I'm just already staying for them because they're so good. And this should be on my Spotify list. Like, I should be listening to it again and again. Why didn't I fucking listen to it? Like, look at this. This is perfection. Particularly listen. This is so good. This part. That transition did it. It's not overdone, but at the same time it's good. I have also one more favorite scene. I don't know which one. The music wise, this is all the music wise. This is really good. This all the drum scenes are really awesome. If you see it from the all the setups which are done in this MV particularly are all done in particularly one set. I just can't see it because I just like all the flower thing and all the mirror one and the moon type also are used by the fire lightings. Yeah, they are all done in such a small space. There not much of space going on, it's just one space and they have used it so good, especially because it's in an oval, the whole building is in a circle, so they can use various, it can be get like very similar, but they use it so particularly good with the lightings and the setups, like small setups, and such a they have created a unique space and there's not much going on. If you I feel like the editing, the person who did the camera work was so great, but at the same time the setup which is done by them for every different shot in a in a one place, it's good. I'm an architect, so I can feel it just by like how much effort they have put in. Like I think the hallway is also in, they have built the hallway or something. No, they actually use the pillar, I think pillar behind the pillar scenes. I feel like that. I need to check their behind the scenes. Yeah, they are all done in one place. They all fucking did it in one place, and it's so good. It's the best MV you can ever get. It's particular good. So yeah, if you want me to react to any of the Luna songs, do comment, do like, and do share this. I really want to reach 13,000 subscribers, I guess. Yeah, and I need 200 people more. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.